YouTube channel. For today's video mga langga, mag-try on haul tayo. But before anything else, kung bago pa sa channel ko, please subscribe yung channel, like and share, and click notification bell para ma-notify ka every time na may new video uploaded ako mga langga. So for today, ang ita-try on natin mga langga is a white sleepwear. So meron akong one piece, yan, set of white sleepwear na pa-lace see-through siya mga langga. So, pag ganito siya. Ganyan. So, ang pa-closer look niya is pag ganyan, pa-lace. Sa top niya is pag ganyan. Yan, pa-V. And then sa back is open. Yan. Diba? Open sa back. So, ganyan yung style niya. So, pwede din siya ma-adjust sa back. Yung sa strap. So, yan. Ganyan ang back. And then, ang bikini niya mga langga is tadaan! So, ganyan ang closer look niya mga langga. Ganyan. Yan. So, ang back is pag ganito. Diba? Super nice. Super nice. Ganyan siya. Ganyan. Super nice. So, tara, ita-try on na natin ang item na to kung bagay ba sa akin man. So, ganito siya pag na-wear ng mga langga. So, pa-lace, see-through siya. So, ganito yung top niya. And then, yung back is open. Yan, open sa back. Ganyan siya.
You said that you've been lonely, makes you cold as ice. Hard to get to know me, but better than the lies. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. You said there ain't no reason, but I'll sit here every day, waiting for the moment I won't feel like I should stay. No way I'd let you slip by. No way I'd let you say bye. Can we watch it fade, fade away? Can we let it fade, fade away? We'll take it day by day. Can we watch it fade, fade away?
So, that's all for this video mga langga. Please don't forget to subscribe yung channel mga langga. Like and share, and click notification bell dyan sa baba para ma-notify ka every time na may new video uploaded ako mga langga. Thank you for watching.